Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the mixed grouping of cells. In mixed grouping, certain numbers of cells are connected in series, and all such series are then connected in parallel. I have made a diagram here in which you can see the cells of EMF E are connected in series first. Then these cells are connected in parallel. Uh, we are supposing that let n cells are connected in series and such m series are connected in parallel. So the total EMF of n cell which are connected in series will be equal to n capital E. This is the EMF of the cells which are connected in series. Similarly, the total internal resistance of a series will be equal to n small r for this series. Now because these m cells are also m rows are connected in parallel, if we suppose that the internal resistance of whole battery is capital R1, then 1 upon R1 is equals to 1 upon NR plus 1 upon NR up to M terms. M because there are M rows. So from here we can calculate 1 upon R1 is equals to M upon NR, or R1 is equals to NR by M. This is the internal resistance of whole battery. Means for all cells the value of internal resistance will be R1 is equals to NR by M. Now if you want to calculate the total resistance of this circuit, because this R and this is connected in series, so total resistance of circuit will be equal to NR by M plus capital R, as this R is connected with them in series. If the current in the external circuit be I, then I is equals to total EMF upon total resistance. The total EMF of this circuit will be equal to NE, and the value of total resistance for the circuit is NR upon M plus capital R. On further solving it, you will get MNE upon N small r plus M capital R. This is the value of current. Let this be equation number 1. Now for the value of I should be maximum. For the maximum value of I, this quantity should be minimum. Means NR plus M capital R can be written as under root NR minus under root MR whole square plus 2 under root Mn small r capital R. For this quantity to be minimum, the value of this should be minimum, but because it is a square, so it can't be negative. So the value of under root nr minus mr, under root mr, will be equal to 0. Means under root nr minus under root mr whole square is equals to 0, or nr is equals to mr. Now from here we will get nr is equals to mr, or r is equals to nr by m. Means the value of external resistance should be equal to the internal resistance of whole battery. In this situation, the value of current, maximum current, will be equal to Imax is equals to Ne upon R plus R, or equal to Ne upon 2R. This is the value of maximum current. This means in mixed grouping, the current in the external circuit will be maximum when the internal resistance of the battery is equal to the external resistance, and the value of maximum current will be equal to Ne upon 2R.